So you were at a social event when a few of the folks at the party start talking about investing in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and index funds. Everyone has a great story to tell but you. Now you start asking yourself, when am I going to get in on the action? Maybe you're a disciplined saver. Now you've saved enough money to start investing. But before you start investing, you want to make sure that you are making the smartest choices about building and managing a stock portfolio. Now, in order to mold your investment strategy, you start to ask these questions. Do I buy CDs, stock, mutual funds, ETFs, or index funds? What is a 401k? What is a Roth IRA? What is a self-directed IRA? What type of investing strategy should I adopt, and what type of risk versus reward can I live with? Do I go low risk, low reward, medium risk, medium reward, high risk, high rewards? Will my investment strategy change over time? How will I search for my stocks? What criteria will I use to select investments? Where can I get stock research information? Do I use a retail or a discount broker? Do I need a financial advisor? When do I buy and when is it time to sell? Now you've heard about a friend or relative who lost money investing in a hot stock tip. So you ask yourself, should I go down this risky path? You see, stock investing seems too complicated to me. Maybe stock investing should only be left to the big dogs on Wall Street. Well, investing can be complicated, but it doesn't have to be. We are Online Investing Academy. We teach Main Street how to win on Wall Street. Simply put, you don't have to be a dedicated day trader or a market timer to become a successful investor. And if you're tired of watching all these folks at social events having all of the fun, then it's time to start your own investing story. You can have fun too, and we can help. If you're ready to learn how to build wealth and invest your money like a pro, then we have proven strategies and effective tips. We provide online courses that will cut through the clutter and provide you with a roadmap to wealth building and financial freedom. And best of all, you can learn at your own pace. Our courses provide practical solutions and proven strategies for building a portfolio of stock investments, researching and evaluating a company's financial strength, evaluating risk versus rewards, selecting a financial advisor, building retirement funds, understanding the best time to buy and when to sell your investments. Now there are many companies who provide online training. The problem is, they treat learning with a one-size-fits-all approach. We provide 9 courses that take complex stock investing and money management concepts and break them down into easily digestible bits. To support your learning even further, the content is structured so that you will get step-by-step guidance on how to choose investments wisely and with a successful plan. When you complete our courses, not only will you feel more confident than ever, but it won't break your bank either. Your learning doesn't stop with our courses. Online Investment Academy provides webinars to review concepts you learned in the courses. We support courseware with our stock investing blog that teaches you stock investing ideas year-round. We are so confident that we can help you attain your goals that we'll provide you with 6 investor quick start guides that you can download today for free. 7 ways to invest even if you're broke. 7 things you need to know before you start investing. 13 pitfalls to avoid for new investors. 3 steps to profitable investing. 10 golden rules for stock trading success. 9 survival tips for the market shakeout blues. In addition, we'll even offer you a free investing crash course if you sign up today. Finally, we offer a 30-day 100% refund if you're not happy with our course content. In fact, if you're not happy with our courses, you can keep our 6 investor quick start guides and we'll give you a full refund, no questions asked. Now you have no reason not to register for our courses and start your journey today. Register for a single course or consider our investing bundle and save half off list price. Courses can be started by clicking the course link below.